The grey-throated babbler. The grey-throated babbler is a small babbler, measuring between 12 to 15 centimeters in length and weighing 10 to 18 grams. Its overall appearance is dull brown above and buff brown below, but it features a well-marked head pattern. The nominate subspecies has a blackish crown striped with white, a greyish lateral crown stripe, and a blackish postocular supercilium. The eyestripe is white-lined and greyish, and these markings end at the olive-brown upper parts and neck sides. Their underparts are a dull ochrous-tan, with darker and duller shades on the flanks, thighs, and wing. The iris can be pale, reddish-brown, pale grey, or pale yellow, and it has a broken white eyering at the front. The bill is dark brown or horn brown with a paler lower mandible, and the legs are dull greenish-yellow to pale brown. Both sexes appear similar, but the juveniles are generally duller below with less obvious streaking. This babbler is found in a wide range across Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Nepal, Thailand, and Vietnam. Its preferred habitats include subtropical and tropical moist lowland forests, as well as subtropical and tropical moist montane forests. It typically resides in primary and secondary evergreen broadleaf forests, low secondary scrub, and bamboo jungles. It can also be found in dense forest clearings, forest edges, and undergrowth in tree plantations and old rice fields. The babbler's diet primarily consists of insects, including beetles and locusts, although it may also consume berries, seeds, and nectar. Outside the breeding season, it is often found in small parties of 5 to 20 individuals, sometimes associating with other babblers. It forages in the understory, keeping close to the ground in low herbage and searching through hanging dead leaves, clumps of smaller dead leaves. Breeding typically occurs from February to August. The female builds a bulky, loose cup or dome-shaped nest, often made of dry bamboo, leaves, grasses, moss, and plant fibers. The clutch usually contains 2 to 5 eggs, which are white. The incubation period lasts about 12 days, and both parents feed the nestlings. The species is not globally threatened and is generally common throughout its range. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.